Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video we are making delicious coffee cupcake. I hope you enjoy watching this, so don't go away. Let's get started. I will start by adding half cup of granulated sugar into a bowl. Top it with 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. Mix it. Add 2 tablespoons of whole milk and then whisk everything until fluffy or well dissolved. Here I'm adding 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. You can use melted butter if you want. Continue mixing. Now I'll add 2 eggs and continue to mix. I'll leave all the ingredients I'm using in the description box below. You can check it out. Now I'm done mixing. We'll now bring in the dry ingredients. Here I'm sifting in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add and mix together. And I'll be gradually adding 1 cup of milk to mix the whole batter together. So I'm using 1 cup of milk, but I'm not adding it at the same time. I'll add it gradually until I mix everything together. After mixing the batter, I will now lay my muffin cups into the muffin pan. Scoop the batter into it for baking. My oven has been preheating at 200 degrees centigrade. We'll now scoop this and bake in the oven for about 35 minutes or until it is well baked. You can do that by inserting your toothpick or skewer into it, and if nothing comes out with it, then your cake is well baked. I will also be topping this with some raisins. You can use any toppings of your choice. This is what I have, so this is what I'm using. If you have chocolate chips, you can use it. You can use almond or any nuts. Time to bake. And voila, here we have our coffee cupcakes ready. This is looking so delicious, isn't it? I loved this so much, and I know you will also love it. I hope you will also love it. If you're a fan of coffee, you will love this. Try it out. If you're not a fan also, you will also love it because it tasted so delicious. Thank you all for watching. If you're new here, my name is Henrietta Onyemere. You are highly welcomed. Thank you so much for coming. Please don't forget to subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, I love you all. May God bless you all. Thank you. Please don't forget to share this video, like and comment. Tell me what you feel and how you feel about it. Till I see you again in my next video, or till I talk to you again in my next video, remain blessed. Bye bye.